Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Arnaud De Lapierre, happy to guide you in learning the basics of crypto trading in 2025. You might be wondering how to start without going through complex procedures. Rest assured, we will go step by step. Starting today, I will provide you with practical advice, concrete tips, and an honest view of what to expect. My goal is for you to start without stress and progress with confidence. Stay until the end to absorb as much learning as possible. So, let's get started. Always ensure you fully understand what you are doing before investing in this sector. Crypto trading can be an exceptional financial lever, but let's not forget that it involves risks. I like to compare it to a sport. To win, you must master the rules and train regularly. Take the time to analyze the value of an item, a project, the fundamentals, and its current events. In 2025, the crypto ecosystem has evolved, but the basic principles remain valid: patience, discipline, and curiosity. Never hesitate to educate yourself, ask questions, and surround yourself with people who already have solid experience. The first step is to choose a reliable platform to buy and sell your cryptos. It's as simple as that. Compare transaction fees, security, and the provider's reputation. There's no need to rush. Take a step back, watch tutorials, and read reviews. Then, set your budget and the amount you are willing to invest. Be careful not to bet more than you can afford to lose, however. Prepare a small action plan. How much time to dedicate to trading, which asset to monitor, and what goal to aim for. This is the foundation to engage with peace of mind. Before continuing, I would like to say a word about an app that accompanies me daily. Notrade, available on iOS and Android, it remains completely free. It provides clear trading signals to guide your decisions. You will be able to set alerts, track the evolution of your assets, if you can prefer me, and consult reliable analysis. Its user-friendly interface allows you to remain responsive even when volatility is raging. In my case, it is a great ally to miss nothing and fine-tune my strategy. I highly recommend it if you are looking for a simple and precise tool to navigate this cryptocurrency sector. To start correctly, focus on two main areas: fundamental analysis on one hand and technical analysis on the other. On one side, you study the project, its team, its history, and its current events. On the other, you dissect the charts to identify trends and anticipate price movements. Many investors neglect one or profit from the other very often. While it complements itself, take time to learn the basics of charting support. Resistance is a trend, bullish trend, bearish trend. Gradually, you will learn to spot these interesting signals. This comprehensive approach will allow you to adjust your positions with more confidence and efficiency. Risk management is often overlooked by novice traders, yet it remains an essential element for success. Always consider setting a stop loss to limit losses in case of a market reversal. Use an amount proportional to your capital for each position and to avoid allocating all your resources to a single asset. Diversifying your portfolio is giving yourself a chance to smooth volatility. This approach protects you from sudden drops and enables you to rebound more calmly. Keep in mind that caution is your shield against the unexpected. Next, ask yourself about the time horizon that suits you best. Are you more attracted to day trading with positions opened and closed within the same day? Or swing trading over several days or even weeks? Each style has its advantages, but also its drawbacks. Day trading requires a lot of responsiveness and time in front of screens, while swing trading involves less stress but longer positions to manage. In any case, know that consistency and discipline often prevail over luck or risky intuitions. Psychology plays a significant role in your performance. Fear and excitement can make you act at the wrong time. It is sometimes tempting to buy when everything is booming, and selling in panic when panic sets in. Yet, following the crowd is not always profitable. Try to establish clear rules for when to buy, when to sell, and under what conditions to cut a position. Adhering to these guidelines, even if it is painful at the moment, with experience, you will understand that mastering your emotions often remains crucial. Plan breaks. Clear your mind and don't let stress dictate your choices. Learning never stops in this field. Read, follow blogs, watch videos, discuss with other enthusiasts. Why not, for example, on another platform? Cryptos evolve quickly, and what works today may not be suitable tomorrow. Take some time each week to deepen your knowledge and refresh your strategies. Do not be swayed by grand speeches or apocalyptic forecasts. Aim for consistency in your progress and remember that persistence is often the key. By staying informed and remaining flexible, you will know how to adapt along with trends while moderating your risks. Be wary of scams in this sector. Some promise excessive returns or miracle formulas that don't exist. Make it a habit to check the reputation of projects and never send anything to an unknown address, even if the pitch seems enticing or is enticing. Social networks are full of fake experts and fake advice. It's better to take the time to cross-check multiple sources and test for yourself with small amounts. By staying vigilant, you avoid falling into traps that can ruin your efforts. Keep a cool head and never rush in impulsively. Building a solid strategy involves clearly defining your objectives and decision-making methods. Some investors prefer technical signals, others rely more on fundamental analysis. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. The key is to find what works for you. You can practice with a small capital or even a demo account, why not, to gain confidence. Note your trades, identify what works, what fails is adjusted gradually. The important thing is not to succeed in everything right away, but to progress by correcting your mistakes from each experience. In 2025, cryptos could benefit from new regulations and even more advanced technological developments. Artificial intelligence opens up the possibility of automating certain tasks, particularly research tasks, I think, or market monitoring. If you are starting in this context, keep in mind that the fundamentals do not change. Search for reliable projects, constantly stay informed, and manage your risks smartly. Opportunities are abundant, but the competition is also sharper. Stay curious, build connections with experienced people, and never stop questioning yourself. This approach will help you react better to unexpected changes. Managing your time is a real challenge in trading. Between reading trends, breaking news, and the risk of burnout, you can quickly exhaust yourself. Try setting specific times to check platforms and your charts. Quite simply. Focus on a few cryptos instead of trying to follow 10 or 20 at once. Organization is your best ally to stay clear-headed and preserve your energy. Also consider the question of automation. Some trading robots or custom scripts can help you limit emotions and be more reactive to fluctuations. We think a little about our trades, but not only that. If you find these tips useful, consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. You will thus have access to my upcoming analyses and my feedback. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments. It's by discussing and exchanging, as I like to say, that we often learn the most. I appreciate every message, and I strive to respond to them to create a true collaborative dynamic. Together, we can build a strong community where everyone contributes to the foundation and its development. Crypto trading is not out of reach. It mainly requires perseverance and curiosity. Thank you for following this conversation
To the end.
I hope
What you feel more.
you will be to approach crypto trading in 2025, or at least start having some leads to get off to a good start. Remember that success comes from true involvement, regular learning moments, and following a few simple rules: diversification, patience, and caution. Have confidence in your ability to evolve and stay attentive to new developments in this field. I encourage you to persevere, since each experience brings you a little closer to your goals. Take care of your capital and your mental health. We'll meet again very soon for more videos dedicated to trading and cryptocurrency.